According to the EPA, U.S. residents produced 254 million tons of municipal waste in 2013. This statistic proves that waste generation and disposal is an important topic in our growing world. However, when looking at the overall breakdown of waste, only 3% is municipal waste, meaning what passes through your home makes up very little of what ends up in the landfill. On the other hand, construction and demolition waste makes up a whopping 25 to 40% of total waste, but is rarely addressed in popular culture or media.
Landfills are a problem because they take up valuable space on this earth. However, the current manufacture and dump model also creates impacts from resource extraction and product manufacture.
Production of any product from scratch releases more emissions that cause climate change, release more toxins that are hurting ecosystems, and in turn produce more waste. This is a cycle that is unsustainable for the environment and for the growing population. However, using recycled products on the construction field is often less expensive and less impactful than sourcing raw materials.
While it seems difficult to reduce waste when looked at as a whole, a focus on construction and demolition waste can have a large impact. Construction and demolition produces a large quantity of waste. While much of it goes to the landfill, 90 to 95% of construction and demolition waste is recyclable.
Now we can see construction and demolition waste as an opportunity for diversion from the landfill.
We can begin to solve the logistics problem that is construction and demolition by narrowing our focus to asphalt, brick, and concrete. The ABCs make up about half of construction and demolition waste and can be crushed and reused as aggregate or filler for other construction projects at facilities that exist close to our target zone, which is the greater Portsmouth area.
The goal of our proposed company, Connected C&D, is to divert all asphalt, brick, and concrete produced by construction and demolition projects in the greater Portsmouth area from being deposited in landfills.
We plan to do this by identifying demolition and renovation companies in the Portsmouth area who are not currently recycling as our primary target market, providing them with bins for ABC from their project, and subcontracting transportation to transport the recyclable material to local recycling facilities. To make our services appealing, we will charge fees that undercut landfill disposal fees. Our intended role is primarily a logistical one, and we do not plan to hold any of our own equipment in the early stages, but rather rent from existing companies to keep startup costs low.
Income will be generated from the fee paid for our services by the demolition and renovation companies. Our costs will be bin rental, transportation, and any recycling fees, as well as maintaining a staff and other administrative overhead.
ABC is easy to reuse in projects that are becoming more common as our infrastructure becomes outdated and needs replacing. Connected C&D also has room for expansion into other construction materials, including gypsum drywall, lumber, and metals. Recycling ABC saves companies money, creates jobs, and eliminates ABC contribution to landfills.